Many kind of blog websites have different types of videos. We can track them and it's very important. In this video, I will show you how to track video and send data Google Analytics for. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. First of all, we go our Google Tag Manager and we can see that our Google Tag Manager and our Google Analytics 4 is already connected. Now we can just click our variable options and go to the config tag, and there is options here, just video. We can just simply tick this kind of options. Okay, our next process is go to the tag and select a new tag and select the pen icons and select the Google Analytics and GA4 event. First of all, we put down our Google Analytics measurement ID, data stream inside there and measurement ID. So just copy it and paste here. Now we just write our event name. YouTube video. Okay, now we just include many kind of parameters here, event parameters. So we just add many kind of parameters here. Google Analytics 4 provide this kind of parameters, so we just copy and paste here. Just paste. Okay, just copy and paste here. The video durations, I think video it's not perfect. Okay, just totally copy it and paste here. So video currency time here. Okay, just paste here. Okay, the next option is the video percent. We'll just copy and paste. Next option is video provider. Copy and paste. Next option is video title. Okay, and the final options is video URL. Only the video. Okay. Now we just provide the event value. So just click the 2-second bracket and the video currency time here is the video currency time. Okay, the video durations, the video percentage, and the video provider, the video title, video URL, and the visitor, the video visitor. The next option is the trigger. Just we can just trigger it. Just click the plus icon, select new, and there is a YouTube video. Just select it and just simply put down this kind of options and select the 25% viewers, 50% viewers, 75% viewers, and 100% viewers. Okay, add JavaScript API support to all YouTube videos. Just click it and just simply select write the name YouTube video. YouTube video trigger. Okay, and just save it, and there is a name here, YouTube video tag. YouTube video tag. And simply the another tools we can use it, the video percentage. So we can see that our total process was ready. Our Google Tag Manager measurement ID here, our event name here with video percentage, and our total parameters here, and the trigger here. We just save it, our new tags, just save it, and the next process is just submit and publish it. So just published. Okay, now we can preview it and see our total process and total tracking is actual work or not. Our Google Tag Manager and our website is already connected. Now we just play our YouTube videos here. We just play it and go to the Google Tag Assistant. We can look at that. Google Analytics 4 base code and YouTube video tag is already fire here. That our video is already play, and we just wait and see our total process is actually work or not. So our video is already completed. Now we can see that our total tag is actually work or not. So we can select here is first of all just see that our total result is here, and we can just see that our debug view, our Google Analytics 4 data is actually work or not. So if guys just notice this is actually works. So that is for today guys. I hope you can understand how to track our videos. So is there any problem, you just contact me, link in the description.